Lausanne, Switzerland. Negotiations between six world powers and Iran over its nuclear program have been tough and very serious, and the next few days will show whether Tehran is ready to make the necessary hard decisions, a senior U.S. official said on Friday. Iranian President Hassan Rouhani's overture to the leaders of the six powers on Thursday is hopefully a sign that Iran is ready to make some of the tough decisions, the senior State Department official added on condition of anonymity. The official said that other foreign ministers from the six-power group, which includes Britain, China, France, Germany, Russia as well as the United States, will arrive in the coming days to join the talks in Lausanne, Switzerland, ahead of an end-of-March deadline for a political framework agreement. Tehran and the powers are struggling to hammer out a political framework accord that would lay the foundations for a full settlement by June 30th. Rouhani spoke with his French, Russian, British and Chinese counterparts on Thursday to try to break the impasse. He also sent a letter to the leaders of all six powers, including U.S. President Barack Obama. Officials said the letter did not suggest Tehran was ready to compromise. Lausanne, Switzerland, negotiations between